Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Ramadan has passed, and now the beautiful month of Shawwal has arrived. But did you know? Shawwal is not just about Eid sweets and fun. It also carries a very special message for us. In Ramadan, we learned patience, kindness, and worship. And now Shawwal reminds us, keep those good habits alive, even after Ramadan. Dear children, do you know something amazing? Whoever fasts 6 days of Shawwal after Ramadan, it is as if they fasted the whole year. Subhanallah, what a great reward. So let's make a promise. This Shawwal will continue being kind, honest, and try to fast those 6 special days too. Shawwal says, don't forget Allah, even after Ramadan. Eid Mubarak, and a blessed Shawwal to you all.